Good morning. I develop games for a living, and today is the release day of one of the games that I have been working on. I am documenting the day because I really don't know whether we're actually gonna press the release button in time, which is today at my 6 p.m., or we're gonna completely miss the release date. Somebody has told me that for Steam, if you miss your first release date, it's kind of forgiving you for it, but if you do it for the second time and you miss your second release date, your game is practically dead on Steam's algorithm, and Steam will never acknowledge you nor push you to any player. Like, have you realized it's really hard to find not popular games on Steam because they're buried down way down. Like, you can't find those games. You can occasionally maybe see like overwhelmingly negative games, but still they have a lot of reviews, but you can't find the really dead ones that have like 5 reviews or something. It's really hard to find them casually browsing. So anyway, let's try to avoid that for our game. So the reason why I'm very concerned that we may not able to release on time today is because the game was updated very late last night. I need more time to see whether one fix or one change causes a chain of other issues elsewhere. And playtesting takes a lot of time, which is the main focus of the majority of the day. I highly recommend playtesting it without your cheat buttons, without your dev buttons, because players are not gonna use those buttons. So play the game as player and click as much as you can. Click anything you can. There will be a certain combination of different clicks that the player will do that will stress test your features, and in that you may discover things that you didn't know would happen. So that's what I'm going to do today. At the same time, I do need to focus on announcing the release of the game in all the socials, and they may not be seen and they may be ignored, but at least it's out there, it's on the internet. Hope we just do it in time, I guess. Biggest priority is making sure the game is not broken or anything. I'm also stress testing the saving. Saving can be complex, especially if you have a lot of information that needs to be saved. So to stress this, when there's new unlocks or new content introduced in the game, or I have unlocked something, or for example, when I make actions like upgrades and see if that's saved, I'm going to reload it. Now, as a player, I'm expecting everything that was there, including this notification. So this notification is there, my upgrades are there. I gotta also see the values are right. I've learned a lot of UI work in this project, and in my opinion, I can do better on next projects. UI UX is kind of weird because if a game has a really good UI, no one talks about it because you're comfortable, it's not causing any stress, you don't even notice it. Like, good UI means nobody talks about UI. Bad UI, then it's like, that's all anyone talks about. I've learned a lot of UI, having to handle the UI stuff in this game. I just realized there is about to be a really bad storm later on. So I think I'm just going to order my celebration dinner release pizza now to not make the drivers deliver pizza in the middle of the storm. That means I might as well have pizza for lunch at the same time. Ooh, Domino's are hiring. Maybe I can work there after years of failed indie development. Okay, wait. Uh,
See fit.
Wherever you
Because
feel
I'm
comfortable.
tempted to just do that.
Yeah,
that's what I've been doing.
Yeah. Why don't one of you? How about Link? You go first. How about you go to the bathroom?
That's what you told me to do. All right, let me try again. From the back, front to back.
Do that.
Because that would be after a couple of weeks, Jesse might notice.
Part about being pregnant with.
Well, it's finally raining and the storm has started. I've taken some painkillers from my migraine. It's just not going away. Why is this guy so large? 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to post some shorts and announcements on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube that the game is about to release. And bit of an update. I am seeing decent amount of bugs closer to our end game content that I've poked the team in the chat. I don't know if they have time to fix all of that and playtest the fix later on, but I'll just keep going. The faster I discover all these issues and bugs, the better. Some of the bugs are really weird because they work in the early game, but then they don't work late game. I have a couple of crafting recipes. When you equip one, it tells you the required amount of resources, but then we have some recipes that are more late game, like this barbarian helmet. If you hover over the required items, they say 0, and if I look at in the engine, they're actually set up correctly. They're filled out with proper numbers and it doesn't say 0. So yeah, that's pretty blocking. We can't release a game with this bug. And it's looking less and less likely we'll have enough time to push everything. I'm just prepping all these assets and posts to be ready the moment we press a release button. Hello. All of the bugs, all. When you get a recipe reward, there was an issue where it doesn't show up. Wait. Oh no! Wait, you did the changes. Yeah. I don't have your changes. The required materials also change. They get increased. Now you start a new save file, unlock the recipes, and then close the game. And then when you open the game, you will see its zeros, the required resources. Kaz, did you test in terms of closing and opening the game? I have post ready to post. Packers, $4.99. We're locking in the price. I'm pressing now. Alright, ready? Oh, damn. Okay. It's loading! Do we have it? It's out. Publish this. And then this one will email. What? Why is the quality so bad? Alright guys, The pizza party didn't really happen. We were going to press the release button and then eat pizza, have alcohol, and play Peak. But fixing bugs took majority of the night. We managed to press the release button just about 15 minutes before midnight. And even then, I was still working. Thank you for joining me today on the first release of our game, Peckers. It is not our dream game. It is not our biggest release. It's our first release and the beginning of many other releases. It's the first stepping stone to our journey. Through my tired voice, you can't really tell, but I'm actually really happy and really proud. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go crash. Bye-bye. Oh, this looks bad on camera. Let me just turn it around. They will never know.